a new 20 by 9 barrel with a 2-inch lip that makes it a 20 by 11 for the rear. I did remember to bring the impact fitting or whatever this time around, so yeah, I'll be doing the final lines or the strut or anything like that. I might be able to play around. I think these are 5mm, and these are. It 10. Does touch. I can maybe push them out a little bit. It's fitting. I may still need to do the. I really think it's going to be two like standard size tires. The 255s for the front. A little bit of fender rolling will make it look better. And yeah, even with the space. And also, I forgot that you know, the camber that I have on the current car, and yeah, I'll post up some pictures of it. Really good. In fact, yeah, the lip is pretty much flush with the fender, but which means that if I run a 255, it'll probably poke out just a little bit. But yeah, that's me. I mean, a little fender roll. Yeah, definitely needs fender rolling to make it look a lot better. Touching anything like the brake lines, the strut, anything like that. So yeah. So I guess the next step is another pair of 2-inch lips. I'm gonna get that done, and then I can finally put all the wheels together, and then get a process. I mean, I'm sure, you know, it'd probably be easier just to get them measuring that. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in